So I'm going to put out a video on YouTube of a dressmaker. I do not know the vintage year, but this machine was passed down from my grandmother. It's probably 60 years old or older, and very basic, but it got a clean bill of health, got a lube, new belt put on, and I'm testing it today, and I've had to do some trial and error looking at some other videos. The interesting thing is how to put the thread in is slightly different than some of the Singers and Brothers. Let's go around this here. Now the repair technician put it on a 3 for tension, and then it comes back up, as you can see, from this point. You've got a loop in here and come up, okay, and then from there you go through this point, and then on the very bottom here you will notice right here this little eyelet that you have to get it through, and you feed the thread through the left side of the needle. On the undercarriage, you must put the bobbin in with it spooling off in clockwise manner, and voila, currently have it on zigzag. Sews beautifully. Zigzag is created by, this is the zigzag length that I currently have. These two knobs right here and here, this is the left adjustment, which will move this bar over to the left, and this here is the right adjustment. Now, if I take this off, this will then go back to a straight stitch. Happy sewing.